Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars, the smart learning app. Are you bored of reading your textbooks and doing written practice? Well, you can get excited to do something new today. You can check how well you have revised just by a click. Let us first revise punctuation, capitalization and formatting briefly, and then move on to answering a few questions based on it. Punctuation. Punctuation refers to the set of symbols used in writing to clarify meaning, separate sentences, and guide readers through the text. Punctuation marks include full stop, comma, question mark, exclamation mark, apostrophe, etc. Example, she loves to read books, full stop. Capitalization is used to make the first letter of the word capital. It is used to show the readers the importance of specific words. Example, the sun rises in the east. Formatting. Formatting refers to the arrangement and appearance of text in your writing. It includes aspects like font size, style, spacing, alignment, and layout. Proper formatting enhances readability and presentation. Now, get ready to check how well you have understood your punctuation. Attempt this quiz and test your mastery over the topic. Read the instructions carefully. Duration 10 minutes, maximum marks 10. You have to finish the test in 10 minutes. Each correct answer gets you 1 mark. Each question has 4 options, of which only 1 is correct. Check solution after attempting each question with the explanation. You can view your score at end of the test. So let's start. Answer the below questions based on revised content. Which punctuation mark is used to indicate the end of declarative sentence? Option A, comma, B, exclamation mark, C, question mark, D, full stop. Answer, full stop. The full stop is used to indicate the end of a declarative sentence, which makes a statement or provides information. Which punctuation mark is used to separate items in a list? Option A, colon. Option B, semicolon. Option C, comma. Option D, hyphen. Answer, comma. Commas are used to separate items in a list, providing clarity and organization. Which punctuation mark is used to express strong emotion or emphasis? Option A, comma. Option B, period. Option C, exclamation mark. Option D, quotation marks. Answer, exclamation mark. The exclamation mark is used to express strong emotion or emphasis, such as surprise, excitement, or urgency. In the sentence, my sister's car is blue, where should the apostrophe be placed for correct punctuation? Option A, before the S in sisters. Option B, after the S in sisters. Option C, before the S in car. Option D, after the S in car. Answer, before the S in sisters. The apostrophe is sisters indicates possession, showing that the car belongs to the sister. So the correct placement of apostrophe is before S in sisters. Which word in the sentence she enjoys reading novels should be capitalized? Option A, she. Option B, enjoys. Option C, reading. Option D, novels. Answer: she. The first word of a sentence should be capitalized here, S in she. Which formatting style is commonly used to emphasize or highlight text? Option A, italics. Option B, bold. Option C, underline. Option D, all of the above. Answer: all of the above. Formatting styles like italics, bold, and underline are commonly used to emphasize or highlight text in different contexts. In the sentence, "Do you want ice cream?" which punctuation mark is used to indicate a question? Option A, period. Option B, comma. Option C, exclamation. Option D, question mark. Answer: question mark. The question mark is used to indicate a question or enquiry. Which sentence demonstrates correct capitalization for a proper noun? Option A, I have a dog named Fido. Option B, I have a dog named Fido. Option C, I have a dog named Fido. Option D, I have a dog named Fido. Answer: I have a dog named Fido. Proper nouns like names should start with capital letter. Hence, here only I, since it is the beginning of the sentence, and Fido, being the proper noun, will have the first letters capital. Rest all are incorrect punctuations. In the sentence, she said, I will be there at 2 p.m. Which punctuation mark is used to enclose the direct speech? Option A, period. Option B, comma. Option C, quotation marks. Option D, semicolon. Answer: quotation marks. Quotation marks are used to enclose direct speech or quotations within a sentence. In the sentence, John, who is a doctor, lives in New York. Where should the comma be placed for correct punctuation? Option A, after doctor. Option B, before doctor. Option C, after John and after doctor. Option D, before new. Answer: after John and after doctor. A comma is used after John and after doctor to set off the non-essential information within the sentence and to clarify its meaning. That's all for today. I hope you must have analyzed the depth of your understanding through this quiz. Stay tuned for more. Bye-bye.